join the membership, get the behind the scenes, get the exclusive, check out all my products on the details, all Amazon affiliate. Prices doesn't change. I just get a small tiny cents to the dollar percentage, which, you know, a penny adds up. It's 4-1 Truu Gemini. Let's get to this review. What's up, y'all? You know me, one Truu Gemini. Got our little review coming to you. I mean, y'all see me on these videos. I'm out camping, I'm out hiking, I'm out going out places like these, having dinner. So I'm gonna show you what I use, my stove. I'll show you my stove, what I use, give you a little review. I've had this stuff for a while, so this isn't just I bought it, open it. This isn't opening, this is I've used it multiple times. This is my experience with it. So alright, y'all, it's your boy. Alright, so cook sets. This is one of many. I have many cook sets. You guys seen a few of mine. I've done a few reviews on mine. I think I've done a view or a review of my wooden cook set. This one is my gas cook set. GSI Outdoors. It's right here. Here's the company. GSI Outdoors. I've actually had this for a long time. I've loved this. I normally take on paddleboarding events or paddleboarding trips. I normally take this with me. Everything it comes with is here. Of course, I don't have all that with me. I took a lot of stuff out. I love the top, how it locks the top in, so you squeeze, and of course you got that. Got the top, of course. This top right here is for the bowl. It comes with a bowl. And here's your bowl, also be known as a measuring cup as well. Actually, I got both bowls with me, which I did not know. So yeah, this is your bowl. When you have hot stuff, it has a little cloth. So if it's too hot, you just put the cloth in there and you're good to go. I store my lighter in here. It comes with a spoon or a spork. Comes with a spork that locks in, so just pull that, fold it, and there you go. Open it up, bam. It's pretty nice. And then I carry salt and pepper with me all the time, so this is my salt and pepper. And then of course a lighter, because when you have this and you have a gas, when you have this, I mean, you can use this for a fire or you use it for gas. I brought my jet boil gas, my jet boil fuel, and what I cook with, my stove itself, is the BRS. This is what I use. I absolutely love this. Most videos you see me film is with this. I've used it from overnight camping, backpacking trips to, I mean, I use this more than I use my jet boil, which I haven't even done a review on the jet boil. I've had the jet boil longer, but I use this a lot more. I have multiple of these. Like, I just went crazy and bought a few of these, but I love this. It's small. You can pack it anywhere. I have the connector to go from propane to regular fuel, and of course I put this on there. It fits just fine. I don't have issues with things falling off on it, which is very great, and I absolutely love it. It's just a BRS stove. You know, all you gotta do is screw it onto your fuel. Screw it onto your fuel like that. Open, light, and it fires right up. When it comes to heating anything, It's not as fast as a jet boil, of course, but to be extreme, this might take 3.5 to 4 minutes to really heat something up, pushing it. But I absolutely love this, the BRS stove. I'm about to use it right now to make some top ramen, so y'all can see how I use it. And yeah, so let's do it. Always carry a lighter or matches, but I carry a lighter. It didn't take that long. So a lot of people wonder, like, when it comes to wind, how do you shield it? A lot of times I did buy a shield, but I don't really bring it with me, which is my fault, but I'll use my backpack. If I'm overnight camping, then yeah, I'll bring it, but most times I just use my backpack to shield the wind, and it does a good job. That's it. This cools off really quick. This cools off extremely fast. Fold it back in. Put in this case. This is a little case it comes with. BRZ. Or BRS. Sorry, not Subaru, but BRS. I'll just throw everything in here. I said I don't use the sport, but I still take it with me. And that's how it fits. See, I got 2 bowls though. Pretty nice. I like it. Put the fuel in there, upside down. Let's see. Alright, y'all, well, there you have it. This is the GSI outdoor cooking kit. Throw the top on. That's how it looks when you lock it in. Put the top on. And here's a case. Put it in the case, and there you have it. That's it. It's on Amazon. Link will be in the description. There you go. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the review. Deuces. It's your boy, Truu Gemini. If you haven't liked the video, if you haven't also joined the membership, get the behind the scenes, get the exclusive, check out all my products on the details, all Amazon affiliate. Prices doesn't change. I just get a small tiny cents to the dollar percentage, which, you know, a penny adds up. It's for Truu Gemini.